In this video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable sensitive content control on Instagram. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap the bottom to access settings and activity. Now look for the option labeled Suggested Content. Here you'll find the sensitive content settings where you can adjust your preferences. If you want to see less sensitive content, select Less and confirm your choice. If you prefer to see more sensitive content, tap on More and confirm. To revert to the default settings, simply choose Standard, which is the default option. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.